Hi, I'm RJ and welcome to my channel, Keto Over 50. We have special needs when we get a little bit older. It's a good thing because we're so smart by now, right? Well, I figured out something very smart. Have you tried the inked keto bread from Costco yet? Oh, it's fantastic. It really is. It's as close as anything that I've found, as close to regular bread. And I love toast with peanut butter and sugar-free jam on it. So one of the things that I learned, I figured out, was when you get to the end, you have two heels. I toast them up in my air fryer, then I pulverize them in my NutriBullet, and I have breadcrumbs that taste like nothing. They taste like bread. They don't taste like these pork rinds. I am not a fan of pork rinds. And while they work as fake pork panko, I just don't like them. I want something more neutral. So I have a great recipe for meatballs. I love these with meatloaf. I use some riced cauliflower. I also use some ground chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp hearts. I grind that up and put that in any of my ground beef mixtures when I'm cooking. But I needed breadcrumbs. And this is just the easiest thing because you weren't going to use these anyway, right? Maybe you were. And then a friend came over the other day and she said, oh, I would use those as a hamburger bun. Hey, that makes sense. So guess what I'm having for dinner tonight? A hamburger in two sides of this. I'll butter it and toast it up in the broiler and have like the best bun ever since I started keto 2 years ago. So I'm excited. So I just wanted to share this little tip with you. The bread, inked keto from Costco, you get 2 loaves for I think $8.99 or $9.99. And no, I'm not paid to say that. But they're just fantastic and they're very neutral. They taste like regular bread. So then you end up with breadcrumbs that taste like nothing, which is what we're going for. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this, give the video a like, a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, feel free to share. I'm RJ. This is Keto Over 50.